This is signing into Cloud Manager, and Cloud Manager sits on OCI. It's an instance of PeopleSoft that's used to manage other instances, and you can lift and shift. I'm going to click on the Environments tab so you can see what environments this instance of Cloud Manager is running. You can see there's five different environments. They're all different types. Some of them are 2-tier, some of them are 1-tier. But this is what I'm going to be showing you. We can have governance on. So those are the 5 environments. Down here is the governance tab. And when you come in here, just to orient you, you can see policy editor, policy monitor, and policy groups down the left-hand side. And in the middle here are the environments. And what we've been able to do is create a policy group of environments for my demo environments. And there's these four policies I've created. The first one is an event-based to apply PRPs on environment. There's a scale up and scale down. There's a scale up environments that's schedule-based, and then starting and stopping environments. So I'll show you what those look. These are very easy to set up, but I'm just going to show you what the scale up looks like. So in this one, you can see that you can either have a policy type of schedule or event, and when you schedule it, you can set up either a ad hoc, so you can set it to happen now or an hour from now, or you can have a recurring schedule. So if you want it daily, if you want to start your environments daily at 6 a.m., you can just set up a policy. And then these are the policy conditions that are evaluated when this policy gets fired. In this case, it's if the name of the system is HCM demo and it's running, then when this policy gets triggered, it's going to scale it up. It's not going to try to scale it up if it's not running. So you can set these conditions yourself very easily, specify the action, and you can see here that there's right now we deliver 6 actions: backup, refresh, scale down, scale up, start, and stop. And so you can use these to string together policies to do a lot of what you would do on a daily basis. And I'll go through some of the use cases. In this case, it's going to scale up one node. It's going to auto scale, and so that's where you specify. It's as easy as that to do a policy. To show you the start policy, very similar. It's schedule based. You're going to check to see the value of the property name or the environment name, and that it stopped, and then you have a start action. So again, pretty straightforward. Doesn't even need someone to be looking at it. And then finally, on the event, this is one where we're going to automatically apply PRPs on environments. So you can see here that this is a policy type of event. The policy object is the repository. The repository is where we download all the MOS states automatically into Cloud Manager. So the event happens when something new gets downloaded. Then we're checking here to see if it's HCM and if it's 9.2 and if it's Linux platform and there's a patch downloaded. Then we're going to take an action, which is apply the PRPs on this environment. So you can see that you can in the policy expressions down below. This is our first version of Policy Manager. We're going to continue to invest in this area to be able to put groups of environments together to be able to manage this at a higher level.